Hi everyone and happy return to Shib. The 13th largest Ethereum whale purchased 272 billion Shiba Inu coins overnight. What a Shartarium is being issued today by the CEO of Shiba Inu Coin News about Shiz today. Large wallet users on the Ethereum network want to buy a lot of Shiba Inu. The CEO of Shiba Inu Coin, Shiz, has launched Sharian. We'll discuss about sharking in this video. Please give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel to watch our latest films. Analysts still believe that the value of the cryptocurrency will increase. Let's get the video started now. Shiba, the 130th largest whale on the EIN network, has received 272 billion shares, or $3 million. Typically, Shiba is purchased by wealthy customers. The meme coin has experienced a significant increase in value, as evidenced by statistics showing that in the last 24 hours, Galleon has gained an astounding 272 million Shib in two separate transactions. The trader completed these deals more than 8 hours ago, adding 100 billion Shiba Inu in the first transaction and 172 billion in the second. The highest amount that was paid for anything was $0.19. Many large wallet investors on the Ethereum blockchain have sold SHA in the new basic attention token. This is a common way for marketers, publishers, and content users to trade large amounts of content. SHU is now the coin that Ethereum whales with massive wealth. Even while these are all encouraging indicators, the most is that a Layer 2 scaling solution is almost to be made available. SHU's cost continues to decrease. The joke coin appears to be struggling to recover as value dropped by over 4% overnight. However, FX Street experts remain upbeat regarding Shiz. Leading technical analyst Tony Montpruru of FX Street believes that the price of Shiba Inu will probably reach its record high of 0.141 set in September. This implies that if the 20% increase is proven to be fake, the price of a SHU might drop to 0.800, at which point bears would seize control of the asset and destroy Dogecoin. At this point, the price of a SHU is 30% lower than what it is currently. SHU's value has increased by 1% in the last 24 hours to 0.1123. This slight increase is linked to a similar trend in the cryptocurrency market, where prices have somewhat recovered following what some may consider excessive negativity earlier in the week. SHIB's technical indicators indicate that it has been oversold and undervalued, so its move this morning may mark the beginning of a new rally in relation to other significant coins. SHIB's value has increased over the past year, according to Ku, and they experienced a 60% climb from its all-time high of 0.86116 in October 2021. It is currently down 87%, about equivalent to other significant cryptocurrencies that saw decreases of a comparable magnitude. The SHIB's relative strength indicator has increased from nearly 30 to just over 45, indicating that it is picking up speed. Similarly, its 30-day moving average is approaching its 200-day average, and a turn could indicate a rise. These indicators suggest that the SHIB's recent downswing is about to turn into a turnaround. Considering how SHIB has been acting over the past week, despite the fact that the market is currently down, there have been a few significant surges. For instance, SHIB saw a 58% rise in early February, primarily due to news of its own mean. Between the middle and end of March, it increased by 25%, and in August, it increased by 64%. Even if the market doesn't turn around and improve in the short term, there is a chance that the SHIB will rise in the long run. The SHIB is one of the best meme tokens to ride out a long-term rally once mood turns more strongly positive. While Shiba Inu is excited about its metaverse, it is also working on its own virtual card trading game, Shiba Eternity. Its price right now, at 0.1123, is close to what it was in July and August when it went up a lot. The creators of Shiba Eternity have stated that the game would be accessible globally on October 6th. It is probable that Shib will increase in popularity till public interest in the start increases. This game will aid in the spread of Shib and the growth of its environment after it was released in Australia. For Shiba Inu, another big event that is approaching is the launch of the Showroom Layer 2 network. along with its metaverse and Shiba Eternal game. This network will make Shiba Inu more scalable and reduce transaction fees once again. Additionally, there is a cryptocurrency called BONE that is built on memes. With the addition of Shiba Inu, the popular cryptocurrency market CoinEx now offers the token to its over 3 million customers. According to an announcement, the cryptocurrency trading website with its headquarters in Hong Kong has launched its pair for BONE, enabling users to trade it against the most well-known stable coin, Tether. Keep in mind that the ShibaSwap controlled token is BONE, one of the 3 tokens that make up the Shiba in the new ecosystem. Along with Shib and Leash, is the decentralized exchange operated by the Shiba Inu community. Users can bet their tokens through the very feature and lend money to the platform through the Dig feature. They can also receive Wolf returns through the app, giving them access to tokens that cannot be exchanged for cash. In May of this year, CoinEx listed Shibainu, a rival coin that at the time was based on memes. The token was listed on several other trade platforms, including Huobi Global, making it more widely available to a wider range of users. On the other hand, BONE makes no mention of any significant cryptocurrency exchanges because it isn't available on Binance. The majority of cryptocurrency sales occur on decentralized platforms like Uniswap. Data available indicates that a few smaller centralized exchanges, like BitMEX and Bank, offer safemoon and shibaswap. The Shiba Inu group has had a lot of success, which is why the rate at which CES tokens are burned increased earlier this week when Whales and Ether joined the CES and assisted in burning tokens when Shiba, in an effort to reduce the amount of tokens that are floating around due to memes, new tokens are sent to dead wallets, which are Ethereum wallets that are burned and are inaccessible to anyone. This makes the tokens more valuable if demand remains stable or increases. The Army has always backed token birds in particular. The average duration that users on the NASDAQ-listed cryptocurrency market Coinbase keep the meme-based cryptocurrency Shiba Inu before selling it or moving it to a different address has now exceeded 6 months. At present, the average hold time for Shiba and new investors on the site is 190 days, which is longer than the average hold time for other cryptocurrencies. The Shinu Society burned 410 trillion tokens at the end of the previous year. Even after the project's originator departed the community, the developers continued, and soon there were more well-liked solutions available. So Shiba's new owners are presumably protecting their money. The official date that the Shiba Inu collectible card game will be released worldwide is October 1. The Shu community will celebrate the release as Download Day, which will crash both the Android and iOS app stores at the same time. Additionally, developers are working on Show Eternity, a trade card game that people are very excited about. For the first time, people could see how the game was played after Kusama announced that the Shiba Inu team had just done so through a Twitter Space event.